joke here in Gulfport, Mississippi. They say there's inflation and the economy's hurting, but I don't. Yeah, and I think that's probably true. But it looks like this train, at least. Wow, it's big enough. It's long enough. I mean, this thing keeps going. Look at this, Anderson. Oh my God. It's like miles long. This is longer than my credit card day. Wow. This is longer than the number of complaints my ex-girlfriend has about me in the sack. This is longer than the number of suicide notes I've written, each which were longer than the prior one. Gulfport, Mississippi, Anderson, right between Biloxi and New Orleans. It's a garden spot, a veritable paradise. I mean, right in the middle of town. You get a train like this, and then you get the smell of manure that comes off the train. Or maybe that's natural gas. I don't know. They call it natural. I think it's a little unnatural. You got these garbage containers to help the ambiance. Oh look, it's graffiti on the train. It's like a high school art project, but it moves. So there's it. There's the end of the train, Anderson. So it's all here in Gulfport, Mississippi. The economy is going well, Anderson. Never give up on America.